Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply evening makeup in the FaceApp in 2026. Do you want a bold and stylish look for a night out? Evening makeup is in FaceApp can give you that dramatic effect instantly. And here's exactly how by following some few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the application FaceApp. You're just gonna head to Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Then you're gonna look for the FaceApp application here. You're gonna type in FaceApp and you're gonna select this one right here, developed by FaceApp Technology Ltd. Now you're gonna launch the app, and after you launch it, make sure you grant the application the access to your camera and gallery. After that, you're gonna either take a photo of you or you can upload an already existing photo. Make sure to pose for the camera so it can recognize your face. Now after that, you're gonna choose this picture right here. Now you're gonna go to the makeup section. Now in the bottom, you're gonna see a toolbar right here. You're gonna have a lot of tools like impression, scan, size, hairstyles, hair color, smiles, features, beards, makeup, age, etc. You're gonna choose the makeup. Now from the makeup filters, you're gonna see a lot of filters like the original, the makeup here. As you can see, it's applying the makeup. Now you can also apply winged eyeliners. Now you're gonna choose a stronger or darker makeup style. Now, to note, a lot of these features and these styles require a premium version. So if you want full access, you have to pay for FaceApp premium version. Now, once you select your style, you're gonna apply it and adjust the intensity. Then you're gonna save the results. You're gonna make sure to save the picture. And that's it. Evening makeup adds a bold and confident look. Use different styles in the FaceApp and find your favorites. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.